Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to resolve this error that if your Xbox app is not opening or working properly in Windows 11 or Windows 10, how we can resolve that. So we are going to see a simple solution for that, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up the start menu and just write here WS reset and hit enter to open that. Now make sure that this one is working. So if it is loading, then just close out of here and then just open up the search menu again and write settings here. Now on the left hand side, you can see this apps option right here. Now on the right hand side, we can see this installed apps option. Now just simply write here Xbox. And once you see this Xbox application, just click on these three dots right here and click on advanced options. And now just scroll down until you see this reset options. Now there are two reset options. One is repair. So you might try repairing first, and then after that, if that doesn't work, you can try resetting that as well. So let's click on repair and wait for a while. And once the repairing is done, you can try accessing that. And if it is still not working right, what you can do is just click on reset, but it will show you this message that this will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. So make sure this is what you want to do, or otherwise you can just take the backup of the apps data or the sign-in details if you don't have this credentials mentioned already anywhere safe. So after that, just click on reset. Now, if you're still having the problem, what you can do is just go back to the apps now and click on the installed apps, and now write Xbox again. And this one is Xbox Live. Now just click on these three dots right here and do the same thing. Go to advanced options. That is, we will scroll down first and click on repair option first. And once that is done, we will try resetting it. Let's try reset now. Now just close out of here and just open the start menu again and write here services. Now let's start the service. And we want to search here Xbox accessory management. So right here X, and it will take you straight to the X category. And the first one is Xbox accessory management service. This is what we want here. Just double click here. Now let's start this service because the service status is stopped or closed. Now once that is done, just change the start type to automatic and click on apply again and click OK. Now you need to do the same for all the Xbox services. Let's quickly do this. Just click on the start for each service and change it to automatic, apply and OK. And let's do it for two more, automatic and start, and apply and OK. And now after doing all of this, let's close out of here and just restart the computer. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can resolve this issue. After restarting, you can try it again and it should work. Just mention down in the comments if it works, and I'll see you in the next one.